Ignorance is just it for all. Talking to your people, said you be a God. No matter we people have them back against the wall. You know this Babylon system, we have to step down.